Dude, this thing flies really good.
It does fly really good.
It's super smooth.
Hey, give me a... Come back to us and give me a full punch out, will you?
Alright.
As far as you dare it. Go for it. That thing is pretty fast.
Dude, I had a lot of fun flying it at the school.
The lights are amusing.
Yes, and if you notice, the LED in the back actually changes color as I go, like, throttle. So if I come back and land it, and I disarm it, if I throttle up, you can see the LED changes as I throttle.
Yeah.
And people were like, well, you know, you'll never see that. No, actually, when you are in FPV mode and you got other racers, you know, racing, those LEDs are so bright that they just light up like a Christmas tree. And it's really actually kind of neat because the FPV cameras are so low res, is that all you really see is just a ball of light.
A ball of light. Actually, I need to set up Horizon mode on this, but I can do that when I get home. Show off.